Hello friends, now today in this session we will discuss text question third of chapter number 2. And first question is, which type of velocity does a body which moves in a circular track at a constant speed and why? Answer will be, a body moving with uniform speed has always variable velocity because its direction changes continuously. अगर हम बात करें किसी सर्कुलर ट्रैक की, बॉडी मूव कर रहा है किसी स्पीड से, तो उसका जो डायरेक्शन होगा वो टाइम टू टाइम किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे चेक करें तो वो चेंज होता रहता है, वेरिएशन आता रहता है। यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे तो डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूवमेंट कुछ इधर होगा, यहाँ पे चेक करेंगे तो कुछ इस टाइप का होगा, यहाँ चेक करेंगे तो कुछ इस टाइप का होगा। तो जो डायरेक्शन में चेंजेस होते रहते हैं जिसकी वजह से इसको हम बोलेंगे कि जो इसकी वेलोसिटी होगी वो वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी होगी। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, differentiate speed and differentiate between speed and velocity. So first column will be speed, in second column we have to write velocity. Now first difference is based on definition, okay, and definition of speed will be the distance traveled per second by a moving object is called its speed. Okay, the distance traveled per second by a moving object is called its speed, and in velocity we can write the distance traveled per second by a moving object in a particular direction is called its velocity. The distance traveled per second by moving object in a particular direction. Okay, अगर डायरेक्शन नहीं होगा तो वो स्पीड हो जाएगा, सिर्फ वो डायरेक्शन ही है जो स्पीड को और वेलोसिटी को अलग अलग डिफाइन करता है। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, स्पीड इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी, इट इज अ scalar quantity, and velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, now next question, is numerical, and this numerical is based on distance and displacement. Okay, now next question number third. इसमें एक डायग्राम है, दिस इज 0, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter and 6 meter. This is point Q and this is point P. Okay, this is first position, initial position, final position. Now question is, a body moves along a straight line from P to Q. P से Q जा रहा है in time 2 seconds. In time 2 seconds from P to Q. Body moves from P to Q in time 2 seconds. Now, what is its displacement? First of all, what is definition of displacement? final position minus initial position. Okay, displacement final position of body minus initial position of body. Okay, now final position of will be 6 meter and initial position 2 meter. So displacement will be of 4 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Displacement will be final position minus initial position, 6 minus 2, we have 4 meter. Okay, this is displacement. Okay, now next question, what is its velocity? Students, velocity is defined as the rate of change of displacement. So displacement upon time. Velocity is defined as displacement upon time. Now displacement will be of 4 meter, time taken by body from P to Q 2 seconds. So we have velocity of body 2 meter per second. Okay, this is velocity of body. Okay, thank you.